Okay, the purpose of this video is to discuss how I'm using my personalized learning environment through Schoology and CK12 and the other things I'm doing to make sure that students meet the district needs regarding content. As I mentioned to you in some of my other supporting documentation, that we do implement district standardized tests at the school that I teach at. And what I've tried to do is create a digitalized version of that, which allows students to work at their own pace to get the course materials done. Okay, it gives them choice. And choice is something I think in terms of personalized learning that's very important. I'm going to go ahead and open up Algebra 2, which is a course I think you've seen in another video, but I have it for others. And what I'm in the process of doing here right now is putting my district assessments in a way that students can access them at different points in time as they need to. So if I click District Assessments, what you'll see here is a series of tests that I've modified and adapted for the environment that I'm in. And if I click the first, let's just go ahead and click the first one. Doesn't really matter which one that we have. Currently, it's not accepting submissions for it right now, but let me go back. I'm sorry. Rather than do that, what's going on here? Oh, okay. Gotta go back to the course. There we go. And let's try again. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is what the district test looks like. Again, students have really loved this format too, because I'm allowing them to work on it, I'm reviewing with it, allowing them to resubmit it. So we're having these very good conversations about stuff that the students may be struggling with, and then giving an opportunity to be successful. And I've seen dramatically improved results as a result this quarter. First time I submitted this. So as you scroll through the questions, you can see what they look like. And this meets the standard, and they come in different formats. There's a multiple choice. There's also a drag and drop. So for example, in this particular case, this should be the answer to this one. So you can do drag and drop. It also allows you to just do a kind of a short essay type of thing to get an answer for that. This one should be about 6.1. Whoops. Yep. Stuff like that. Get another multiple choice. A really nice tool. And what's really allowed me to do is be flexible with my students to really make them in charge of getting done what they need to get done. So by creating the tool like this one, plus the other tools that I've put in there, I'm really, by the time the student gets to the end of the quarter, having the student in control of what they need to get done, knowing what they're missing, and making sure that they get everything done that both I and the district require them to get done. So it's been a really very powerful tool in that way.